So hey guys, this is Young256 with me. Everything is possible. Today I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a mic on your PC. So many of you are facing that challenge that you don't have nice microphones disturb you. I was one of those people, but when I got this, I decided to share it with you so that you shouldn't face any problem with the microphone. You have your old phone, your old iPhone, your old Android. It's time for you to use this chance to use it as a microphone because you don't use it anymore, or you can use your original phone as a microphone. So let's go, and trust me, this microphone is very nice because it is what I'm using. I'm not going to edit the sound. I'm going to give it to you the way it is, and you're going to say. So let's dive into the video. First of all, you're going to come to, let me first show you. Okay, I did a video showing you how you can connect your Android phone to your PC. So if you don't now, you connect your Android phone to your PC, like you can control your Android to your PC, just check down the description, you'll see how we do it. So you're going to come to your Play Store. Okay, now here we're going to deal on this, how to use phone as a mic on your PC. So you're going to come to your Play Store and then come to your search. Okay, and then you type War Mic. So you're going to download this application. A moment, it's called War Mic. This one, why is it's not displaying? What could be the case? I want you to see something. Okay, let's search War Mic. Okay, this is the War Mic you're going to download. When you download War Mic, it will look like this, something like this. Here, are you seeing this? So it will look like that. So this is your War Mic. Immediately you've downloaded your War Mic, make sure you come still to your PC. Okay, come to your PC, open any browser. To me, Chrome is my favorite. Still, you type the same thing. You type War Mic. Okay, you click this one, wall change this War Mic, the first link, you click it. So are you seeing? Okay, still remember to subscribe on the video if you haven't, on the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you have any question, please type it in the comment section. For those that were talking about the sound, I'm really sorry, my microphones disturb. That's why I decided to do this video of how to use your Android phone or your iPhone as a microphone. So you're going to come here to download. Okay, you're going to first download the VC runtime, redistribute this one. Okay, you click, okay, download. So it's going to load, and then it's going to pop up to download. I already downloaded it. I don't have to download it again. I have it. Okay, I have it, so I don't need to download it again. Okay, then after you downloaded this, come down and War Mic installer for Windows. If you're using Windows and if you're using an iPhone, this is it. Android, this is it. Okay, I think you can see it. Okay, this is Android. So we download it. I'm using Android. So immediately you've downloaded your softwares. Okay, you're going to come and check them. Okay, I saved them somewhere, phone mic. So you're going to first install this one, the VC resident something. You click on it, you agree to the terms, and then click install. Okay, you're there. So when you click install, let me first check my microphone if it's on, because it's what I'm using to communicate. Okay, so what you first install this and then come and install this. Okay, when you install this, you're going to restart your computer after installing all these programs. First install this. If it is already installed, it will say close. You just close it and then install this War Mic setup. When you choose anywhere you want to install it, then after you restart your computer. When you restart your computer, well, don't go far, we're still here. You're going to open this, the War Mic. Okay, you're going to open this wall mic of your PC. This is the one of the PC, and you're going to also open this wall mic of your Android phone. So when you open this of your Android phone, I'm not going to press them because I don't want to disturb the microphone. But guys, before I continue, I'm going to show you what to do next. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Young256. With me, everything is possible. Please like and follow. Please share to a friend. People have these problems, but they don't know how to solve it. So when you open your phone, you're going to click this, the play button. Okay, when you click the play button, you're going to come to this computer and then come to connection. You click connect. You get me? So when you click connect, a window will come that is asking you for this IP address. You're going to type there this IP address and then click connect. It will show you something like, I wish I could show you. Okay, let me show you. So it's going to show you something like this, connected. Are you seeing? If you're going to press this so that it is like that, and then it is going to show something. When you click on your PC connect, after putting the IP address, it's going to bring something like this. So when it brings something like that, okay, it's going to bring something like that. So when it brings something like that, that means it is connected. That is not all. What you're going to do, you're going to come to here, settings, your sound settings. Let's go to settings. Okay, then we go to Bluetooth and devices. All right, then we come to, is it devices? Oh, sorry. Then come down to sounds. So you're going to check that our mic is my microphone and it is what I'm using. You see it is popping, but it may not be popping. What you have to do is you restart your computer again. When you restart your computer again, this thing is going to work for you perfectly. Trust me, the sound you're hearing is not a microphone. I think those following my channel know how my microphones are with those bad, but at least this one is kind of clear. You can feel and listen, at least you can see. And I wish I could play something, but still you just listen to this video. Remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's Young256. Let me show you something here. Okay, we come on YouTube. Sorry. Okay, YouTube. Where's YouTube? YouTube Young256 is the channel. This is my channel, Young256, guys. Okay, this. So remember to subscribe. I'm sorry those people are not interested in gaming, and I had to shift and go back to the content. Guys, watch all the videos. This is the right time, and we are changing everything to digital. You don't need to buy microphones, like expensive microphones, when you have that old phone. So with that, I sign out there. Call me Young Don MC, representing to the maximum, to the fullest. I send this video to my girlfriend, my wife, P Heart. She helped me with the phone, and it is her phone I use as a microphone. So with that, I'm thankful. Bye bye.